I forgot the sound. Welcome warriors to this live stream of Viking Trading, where we utilize the silver bullet between 9:50 and 11. ICT Concepts. I'm here to help you find profitability and consistency, because that's what I have struggled with for a couple of years, and now when I are at that level, I want to share and make you profitable as well, all for free. And so just spit out the questions in the chat and in the comments, and we will help each other to receive success together. My strengths are that I'm a great analyst, I'm a quite really good entry player. I have some problem with discipline, so I utilize now the set and forget. So when I set the trade, I go away, or because I live stream, I try to stay, but as soon as the tingle in my finger is going for the stop loss, I am disappearing, and you can watch the trade by yourself until the trade goes to target or not. Okay, we have the open now. We have dipped into this 4-hour fair value gap low and fair value gap high, wick high, with bullish daily fair value gap with the liquidity grab under these lows. So we might see a retrace up to the bearish 4-hour order block, or that we are pushing higher, because the narrative is not to take out a top or anticipated top. So we are bullish on long term, even though we have to see how the 9:30 to 10 is playing out. We can go short even in a bullish market, because it's the session that decides that. But right now we have some bullishness on the open. Let's mark out the open here. 9:30 open. Open. And I like to see the RTA's gap, the open raise gap. Okay, pushed up to the 4-hour bearish order block immediately. Very nice. Looking for a first presented fair value gap. We might get it here. The RTH gap. Already filled. All right. Can mark it out. It could have some influence. No doubt about it. Okay. No fair value gap. Where do we have? Okay, London high is up here. We do this together, so we get a feel how I work the analysis side of trading. I used to have liquidity pools at a blue line. Okay, see how we reacted to 4-hour bearish order block. Let's see it here. It's quite obvious here, right? Okay, reacting from that right now. We have old something here. Yeah, that's the RJ, of course. Okay, dipping down into this wick now. ES is breaking down too. More than NQ actually. All right. 1 minute. Right. Have a reaction here from the midpoint of the open range gap, pushing up. I like the bullishness right now. I like us to go for London high because that's a quite large range, about 90 handles. So nothing against that. A push up from this level would be nice. And we have our account here that we are trading together. Let's see, not this one, we have this one. No, that's another one. Here. All these trade we took together live here, and we are up 19.4% here in a couple of weeks, so that's nice. Okay, pushing up. Due to the 4 a.m. news, this is European time, so that's why it's off, but this is 4 a.m. So I'm waiting for that, because sometimes we have a 10 a.m. reversal play, and I don't want to get stuck in the other direction. So all right. This no first percent of value gap yet. You see how you can use the wicks like this. They are actually very influential. You see the body's respecting this perfectly. Okay. Yeah, I think the London highs are in play today, and I base that on the price action right now. The discount high time frame PDA raise here, daily fair value gap, and that we are in a sister situation here with ES on the all-time highs. So, yep. Building some kind of bullish order block here. We might do that. 5 minutes, okay. I have different colors for different time frames. So for the lower time frames, I use this turquoise, like this. For 50 minutes, I try to use this green one. This is just not to copy, just to understand what I am showing. The 1 hour, this green one. The 4 hour is orange. And we have the daily is black. The weekly is red. The monthly is blue. But I also use blue on nearby liquidity like this, because I like the color to look at. So I use that for draw on liquidity also. And for fair value gaps, I use the color also in line with those on the left, but as ICT do, he uses when it becomes an inversion fair value gap. I do as he does, just to make my brain understand what it is I'm looking at. I make them orange, even though they are not 4-hour PD arrays. So yeah, I haven't figured out that for the best maybe, but that's how it is. If you have any questions, just give me a hit in the comment section. Okay, starting, we are 8 minutes to trading, our trading hour. It has slowed down a bit right now. If we can close about here, we can have a bullish breaker. So now we are a bit disjointed. You can see the ES is pushing with a black candle, and NQ is pushing up with a green. Not favorable for trading. Let's see if we got any first percent fair value gap yet. A small one maybe, yes. Okay, we can go with that one. No problem. Alright. So now we're taking out this high, 730 high. So some liquidity. Let's see how we react up at this level. I will only trade, and I think you should too, just trade when you're certain on the bias. You should not flicker between bullish and bearishness. If you do that, that's a sign that you should stay away, even though how good the entry even looks. If you don't know the high time frame direction, it's not worth it. And with high time frame, I mean, if you enter on the 1 minute, you at least have to know how the 50-minute, 1 hour are directionally biased. So, but now we are 4 minutes from my silver bullet time, 9:50 to 11. A really strong candle here at 9.45. Open up for some more bullishness maybe. Took out this high now. What makes me a little bit curious is we're pushing really much high, pushing up really much now on the opening half hour, 9:30 to 10, taking out a lot of liquidity. So now a lot of people who went long here are in profit, and that's a bit concerning. So the projected range here are up to here. Okay, so let's make some premium and discount measurements. This is premium. This is discount. Okay, I like to use those levels because if this is my final target, I'm not able to go long in premium, just only down in discount. So I need to wait for retrace down here before I trade up here. But I have to check out if this is really my target. I will do some projections here. Okay. So when you do projections with standard deviation, I used to take the low up to the nearest, the first high before that, and look at the projections here, and after equal high like this, I take the first standard deviation and make that my target. So, and that means that I can do this. No, sorry, I have to take another fib. Open range. No. Applied. Dealing range. Okay, like this. Let's put it there, and I put it on this level there, and I will now change this up to here for the premium. And the discount will be here down to there. Okay. Okay. Let's zoom out. We need the perspective here now. 5 minutes. We also have these highs. If we are bullish, these equal highs are in play. Not today maybe. Okay, so you hear from my talk that I am bullish. I am bullish. I want to go long. Can this be? Yes, that can be my target actually. So in this case, I can make the projection up here and make premium discount from that, and I might get long over here, but that depends on how offensive I am. I also can choose to go short if you get the reversal here, down to discount, even though that I'm bullish. That's okay too. But I have to think now. Okay, some more standard deviation up to that other target. Let's work with standard deviation fib. Okay. You can also overlap. I can take this one and this one also, and we'll see where they are confluence together. So around here, about this high, and this high, they are together like here. Okay, so this might be my target then. Okay, up to here. Then the premium is here. Okay. Sorry if this is messy. Okay, so we're taking out that high right now, yes. Okay, 8 minutes. I'll be Alright, I'm back. Let's go. Got our new car just arrived. So, okay, we're breaking down here. Okay, liquidity grab and I'm not bearish, not from here. I think if this is the projected range, often at the midpoint we often make a retrace, so we can get a retrace and liquidity grab and then a push higher again. That would be actually quite perfect for me. That's what I would like to see. I have to prepare my live account. I have another account there where I trade live. Let's see, okay. Let's do like this. Okay, you see now we're pushing up again. Do we have a divergence? No. But okay, looking at the higher time frame on the other charts. I think we're going higher. Okay, okay, okay. Right, we are in silver bullet time. The news is about to arrive in 50 seconds. Okay, now we have the retrace here down to this fair value gap here. I can mark that out in case it becomes an inversion fair value gap. And as you remember, I do these in orange. I would like us to do something like this. Push up again, down and up. Because I'm bullish. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Okay, ES is pushing up. ES is pushing up. ES has not taken. We have divergence on the lows actually. Very good. I like that. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Right. So I think a lot of people went short here. And okay, we have 10 a.m. news. I think we should have. Four p.m. here is 10 a.m. New York time, right? Well, nothing is happening. We are consolidating right now. Got a small little silver bullet opportunity here on the ES maybe. Yeah. That could have been it actually. Missed it. Missed it. Oh damn it. Slow, slow, slow. How much have we moved since? Yeah. Let's see. 148 since. We moved a lot, so yeah. Damn it. It's really slow right now. Let's check out the 4 hour. Okay. Let's see the midpoint of this candle. Okay. Yeah. We're over that. You see the wick here, it's ginormous, so that's an indication of being bullish. Might go for this. reach this bearish fair value gap. We'll see if we can turn that around. I think so. We still have our target here, so preferably I would like to see us dip down a little bit more here, but in hindsight it's quite good because it looks bullish, but then I missed the entry here, and we see that our target is reached here on ES if we would have taken the ES trade. And here we reach its fair value gap here. Well, anyway, this was a really small one, so I don't know. It's okay. It's okay to miss. Okay, I need to change. Date. It's for Stockholm. I like to have it for New York so that I can. No. Where is New York? Vikings. I can't find New York. Is it this? Pushing up higher right now. Oh, OCD. This is not right. Okay, I don't think that's right. I need to have Stockholm, 24 hours saved. Okay, now, okay, 16. Yeah, we had news, high impact news, 16. That's 10 at New York. Weird. Okay, as you see, we are in premium now, so no trade longs from here. We need to retrace down to discount. Okay, still going for those highs. Now, as you see, at the equilibrium level of the between the discount and premium, we get a little consultation, a little retrace, and then we push high. So now we don't expect any more deep retraces until we reach our target here. It's too bad we missed the trade though. Alright, for me that was the silver bullet trade. I missed it, and I'll get back to you tonight with the post-session review that we can look at together. But for now, I don't think I will find anything more. If I do, I might check in again, but for now, thank you for watching. Leave a notification for yourself, and maybe write something in the comments how to improve the channel, and see you